Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Umair. My CRN number is 135725. Today, my topic for the presentation is educational systems of Pakistan. Overview of education in Pakistan structure. Education in Pakistan is divided into primary, secondary, and higher education with various across provinces. Enrollment rates, despite improvement, challenges in enrollment, particularly in rural areas as compared to urban centers. As you know that there is no much education facilities in villages as much as in cities. Quality of education issues with teacher training, curriculum, and infrastructure affect educational quality, leading to disparities. As this point is much related to the education system of Pakistan is compared to the education system of US, America, and UK. They mostly uses visual images in learning, but in Pakistan we are much focused on rote learning and as well as much backward techniques. Private versus public schools. Educational institutions come in various forms, each serving unique roles in society. Public schools are government funded and provide free education, while private schools enhance resources at a cost. As you know that the education system, this is a major source of backward education system in Pakistan. As our government is not as much as rich, that's why the government schools condition are as much as compared to the private colleges. Madrasas offer religious institution alongside or instead of formal education enriching the educational landscape but can face criticism for limited secular offerings. This point is related to the Islamic teachings madrasa system. As we know that there is no science education in madrasa, they only focus on religious texts. As we know that religious text is much necessary as the science teachings. Public schools funded by government providing free education but facing challenges like poor facilities like Pakistan and many much of African countries. Private school known for better resources and smaller class sizes. Yet tuition fees create access inequalities like Punjab College in Pakistan. Cramming system, as I discussed earlier, outdated syllabus. The current curriculum often relies heavily on rote memorization and failing to equip students with the critical thinking and problem solving skills. As you know that the curriculum of FSC pre-medical in Pakistan was first designed in early 90s and it is same as in 2025. Needs overhauling. The education system needs urgent reform to better prepare students for the challenges of the modern world. But a serious effort was made by the government of PTI in 2020 onwards to change the curriculum, and basically they introduced SLO based system to encourage the conceptual learning instead of rote learning. Challenges facing education, access and equity. Gender disparity, especially in rural areas, results in lower female enrollment. You know that in our rural areas, the people of that thinks the education for women is not necessary, which is a main challenge which is facing Pakistan in education. Qualities of teaching. Many teachers lack proper training and qualifications, like many of the teachers teach CA without qualifying CA. Infrastructure deficits, insufficient classroom, basic facilities and resources limit the ability of the schools to provide a conducive learning environment. Reforms and initiatives in education, government policies. Like I discussed the reform which was made up by previous government. This is the point. Foreign aid and NGOs. Various international organizations and NGOs are active in Pakistan. Like many NGOs of US and UK. Technological integration efforts to incorporate technology in education are increasing. I can relate this point to Punjab College portal, which is a major environment for learning. Conclusion on Pakistan educational system: diversity in education. The education system reflects a wide range of cultural backgrounds like Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, etc. Thank you.